This miracle of the Quran will absolutely blow your mind, I promise you. Take a look at this. Now, if you haven't seen pulsar stars, which are neutron stars, they actually look like this. They are stars that rotate, and what is incredibly unique about them is that they sound a little bit like this. This is the sound of a pulsar neutron star. Sounds a bit like someone knocking. Keep that in mind. Not only this, but as these stars get more mass and they get more dense, they actually create a hole in the space matter. And that's because the deeper and heavier they get, they become more impactful on the surface of space. And this image explains exactly how that occurs. So, a knocking star, a star which makes a hole in space. Why is any of this relevant to the Quran? Take a look at this. وَالسَّمَاءِ وَالطَّارِقِ وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ النَّجْمُ الثَّاقِبُ. God says, what is a tariq? And tariq means the one who knocks. And God explains tariq as an-najmu thaqib, a star which makes a hole. And now in the 21st century, with the evidence before us, we can see that this is exactly correct. Who could deny that the Quran is the word of God?